Hello students, now let's just generate this pattern. To some students this may feel that it's complex, but try to understand this, it is very simple. You have to break this complex problem into simple parts. If you clearly observe, there is not just one problem, it is a collection of three problems. What you have to do here is you have to print, see, first you have to print spaces, then you have to print the number, and then you have to print spaces again, right? So here, so this is the first problem, that you have to print spaces, the number, and to fill the spaces you have to print either the digit or you have to put it blank spaces there. For example, here if you see there are three spaces, then the number increasing in the increasing order, and then again you are printing the number in decreasing order. So you are going from like 1 2 3, you have to print spaces, then you are going from 1 2 3, and then you are coming back to 1 and then again spaces, right, to fill these columns with so you are putting blank spaces. Here you put a blank space, you go in the increasing order 1 2 3 4, then you go in the start printing in the decreasing order, and then spaces again, and here there are no spaces, you start 1 2 3 4 5, and then the reverse order printing is done. So you have to observe this problem as a set of problems. First you have to add number of spaces. So if you observe carefully in the first row, how many spaces are there? There are actually, how many rows? First of all, there are 5 rows, right, going from 0 to 4. So now your counting will go from 1 to 5, and then it will decrease starting from 5 to, again you have to come back to 1. So that you know how your increasing and decreasing order counting will go. Now if you see the first row, in the 0th row, first row, that is, what are you doing? You are printing spaces, right, starting from the 0th column till, if the number of rows is 5, so till 4th column, right, you have to print spaces, then you have to print a digit. This is the middlemost column, right. So this is the middlemost column. After this column your counting goes starts decreasing, right, and after this middle column again uh, either the decreasing order digit is printed, or you have to fill the spaces using blank space, right. So this is the logic. Now let's see how we can program it. So now you need to have 3 loops. Why 3 loops? Because you have to print spaces, the digits, and then the spaces again, right. So if you see this program, here we have n is equal to 5. By n we mean the number of rows, right. You need to have 5 rows. So in the first two, for I in range 1 comma n plus 1, because we need to have 5 rows. So since the range sequence produces 1 less than the number, so here the sequence that is generated is, since we are starting from 1, we will start the sequence from 1. If nothing is specified, we deliberately start the sequence from 0. So the sequence goes as 1 2 3, 4, 5, right, because n is equal to 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, we do not include 6, we go till 6 minus 1, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the value of I. Now coming inside the I loop, we have another loop, that is K loop. In the K loop, what are we doing is, see, we are printing spaces. How many spaces do we have to print? We have to start printing spaces from n, that is 5, and then I, till I we have to print, what is I? 1, and then we have to decrease by minus 1. So what is the sequence? Here capital N stands for 5, right. So sequence is 5, 4, 3, so it is decreasing. The first value of I is 1, right. So the sequence, it will go like 5 4 3 2 1, but the value of I is 1. So you have to go till 1, and each time with the iteration what you have to do is do minus 1. So you are decreasing, right. So here your sequence is 5 and you have to go till I, the value of I is initially 1. So you have to go till 1, 1 is not included, so till 2. So what is the sequence that is generated? 5, 4, 3, 2, because this value is not included in range, right. So, how if in the space 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, in the column number 5, 4, 3, 2, what you have to print is space. So, you can check here in the columns 5, this 5, 4, 3, 2, you have to print 4 spaces, right. And then what you have to do is for j in range 1 comma I plus 1. So, what is the sequence here? You have to start from 1 and you have to go till I plus 1. What is the value of I? Here the value of, initially the value of I is 1. So, you have to go to 2, right. So, in the range sequence we go 1 minus the rightmost value. So, the rightmost value is 2, we will go till 1. So, only 1, right. Print j. So, your 1 is printed. So, you have printed 5 blank spaces, then you print the digit 1. You come out of j loop and then you enter this L loop. What is happening in L loop? You are again printing spaces. What you are doing? You have to first print spaces, then you have to print a digit, then you have to print the reverse counting and spaces otherwise, right. So, here in the L loop we have to go and print the reverse digits first. So, in the reverse digit L loop you see you have to start from I minus 1. What is I? I is 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0, right. So, you have to start from 0 and go till 0. So, the sequence is nothing, right. You have to start from 0 and since you are starting from 0 and you are landing nowhere, the rightmost is given as 0. So, it will not print. So, nothing is printed in reverse, right. So, you come out of this loop, you just print a new line and you come out and go to the next row. So, now I becomes 2. Now, the value of I is 2 for the second row, right. Now, what is happening? What is the sequence? For k in range n, what is n? 5 and value of I is 2. So, the sequence will have 5, 4, 3, right, and this is stride. So, in for every generating the sequence we have to decrease by 1. So, this is the sequence. What you have to do is now print these many spaces. So, 3 spaces are printed. You can check 1, 2, 3 spaces are printed. In the J loop, what you are doing is you are generating a sequence starting from 1 till I plus 1. I is 2. So, you are generating a sequence from 1 to 3. I value of I is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So, the sequence that is generated is 1 and 2 because here the rightmost value is 3. So, the sequence is 1 and 2. So, what you are supposed to do is print j. So, 1 and 2 is printed, right. In the L loop is for reverse counting, right. So, here in L loop we have to start from I minus 1, value of I is 2. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, you have to start from 1 and go till 0. So, the 0 is not included, that means you have to print only 1. So, L, the value of L is printed, that is 1. So, you got this row. Let us see another iteration and the sequence will go like that. So, now you come out of L loop, you print a new line and then the next iteration of I loop begins. The value of I is now 3. In the third, now we are talking about the third row where value of I is equal to 3. See, we started from 1. So, third row is I means 3, right. Let us come into the K loop. In the K loop, we are starting from n is equal to 5 and value of I is equal to 3. So, the sequence that is generated is 5 and 4, not 3 because this right value is not, right end is not included. So, 5 and 4, right. So, we have printed 2 spaces. This K loop will iterate 2 times, right, and you will print 2 spaces. Now, then you come into the J loop. J loop, what is the sequence? You start from 1 and then you have to go till I plus 1. I is 3, so you have to go till 4. 4 is not included, less than 1. So, the sequence generated is 1, 2 and 3. So, this loop is iterated J loop 3 times and the value of J is printed. First value of J will be 1, next 2 and 3. So, see 1, 2 and 3 is printed, spaces are printed, then your J is printed, that is the digits. Now, what is left? You have to print the digits in reverse. So, who is doing this? The L loop. The L loop is printing the digits in reverse. How? We are starting from I minus 1. I की value क्या है? 3. So we are starting from I minus 1, that is 2. So the sequence, and we have to go till 0. Since 0 is not included, we have to go till 1. So the sequence that is generated is 2 and 1. So we print 2 and 1. This loop gets over, we print a new line, and then the value of I becomes 4. So this is how this loop is iterated and the pattern is generated.